Whiten your yellow teeth and remove tartar in just 2 minutes and make your teeth bright shine like pearls, so save this video before it disappears. For this, first we will need 2 tablespoons of rice. Put the rice in an electric mixer and grind it well until it turns into a powder. Once ground, sift the powder through a strainer. Take 2 tablespoons of the rice powder, then squeeze half a lemon and add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to the rice powder. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix everything well. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of any toothpaste you prefer. I use Colgate. Mix thoroughly. How to use. Brush your teeth daily with this mixture for 2 minutes using gentle strokes without irritating your gums. You can store this mixture in the fridge for up to 7 days. Don't overuse this unless you're ready for a white glow and Japanese glass skin in just 5 days. Make sure to save the video before it disappears. For this, first take 1 egg, crack it, and blend it well in an electric mixer. Egg is the main ingredient in this mask because it is rich in proteins, amino acids, and natural lifting compounds that help firm the skin, reduce sagging, brighten the complexion, and support youthful elasticity. Once blended, pour it into a bowl, then take 1 tablespoon of the egg mixture. Add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix well. Cocoa powder is rich in nutrients that nourish and soften the skin. How to use. Apply this mask on your face and leave it for 20 minutes, then remove it. This mask deeply hydrates and smooths the skin. Use it 3 times a week for 1 month to see amazing results. Grow your hair in just 15 days with this simple natural recipe. This recipe is suitable for all hair types. To achieve the best results, bookmark this video for later use. For this, first take 1 piece of aloe vera leaf. Place the cut side of the aloe vera leaf in a water bowl for 10 minutes to remove the yellow toxin that is harmful to the scalp. Then remove the thorns and cut the aloe vera leaf into small slices. Aloe vera gel stimulates the growth of hair follicles and also treats dry hair. Next, take 1 onion and cut it as shown in the demonstration. The sulfur in the onion helps nourish the scalp. After cutting, put both the aloe vera and onion slices in an electric blender and blend well until they turn into a juicy mixture. Once blended, strain the mixture using a net cloth. Pour it into a spray bottle, spray it on your scalp, and massage well for 10 minutes. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this 2 times a week for 1 month and you'll be amazed by the results. Women in their 50s are looking as fresh as 20-year-olds with this natural cream that wipes away wrinkles, fades dullness, and leaves your skin glowing. Bookmark this video before it disappears. For this, first take 1 carrot, peel it, and cut it into cubes as shown in the demonstration. Place the carrot pieces in a blender, add half a cup of water, and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl and take only 1 tablespoon for the demo. You can make more as needed. Next, crack 1 egg and use only the egg yolk, as it nourishes the skin and improves elasticity. Mix well. How to use. Apply this mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Use this daily for 7 days and you'll be amazed by the results, as it brightens your skin and fights wrinkles and dullness.